bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my crafty friends, today we're going to be doing some kind of like decluttering. I've been doing um some decluttering, and I have here my junk journal. I don't know if you guys watched my videos, you know that I keep a lot of my junk journaling things that I collect and things that I put aside in this like suitcase. And what I have been doing, which has been working a little bit, but I might need to tweak it some more, is because I love to keep everything. What I did is I tried to keep all what I would like to junk journal in the future in this little, well, not little, it's big, in this big vintage looking suitcase. And I just collect things that I want to later on journal or use as junk journaling. And that kind of keeps me a little bit organized, keeps me a little bit with the means of what I need, and doesn't give me so much stress, right? Because when I want to save everything, it occupies a lot of space. I don't have that much space to really save things that I don't need, and so it helps to keep me contained. But as you can see here, this is really a lot of stuff in here, and I have not been using this for quite a while. So I wanted to go through here, and I wanted to get rid of some stuff that I don't think I need anymore or doesn't really resonate with me anymore. And I want to start doing my junk journaling videos with you guys. I am thinking of doing one of the most helpful videos that I have been working on, which is a self-love journal. So I will be talking about that more in my next video. So I'm kind of preparing for that. So I want to start doing this self-love journal that I kind of have an idea in my mind, and that's going to really help a lot of us that are going through a lot of anxiety, a lot of stress, given what's going on right now. And it's going to help us maybe ground us a little bit, keep us a little bit more self-control, self-contained. So what I'm going to do is, and this is going to be a video that I'm going to be talking a lot for the next few videos when I'm doing my journaling, and when I'm showing you what I'm journaling, and when I'm showing you how to make these journals. There's going to be a lot of talking. So if you don't like me talking, very nicely I ask you to please go and find another person that you might resonate with your connection with that person, because there's millions of people that are doing really awesome videos that you might like. Okay, we don't want negative comments in this channel. I don't like negative comments. I don't like nasty comments. I have so many followers, and honestly speaking, I can truly say that all my followers are absolutely amazing, with the exception of a few that put nasty comments here and there every once in a while. It doesn't bother me. I don't put mind to that, okay? But I don't want those negative vibes in this channel, okay? This is not what I want. So kindly go find yourself another channel that you more or less understand, and that maybe you don't like people talking. Well, there's millions of channels out there that you can find. Trust me, you will find something, okay? But for the other people that are coming to my channel and they like what I do, like what I show you, this is what I do. I speak, I talk a lot, and I show you my crafting. This is what I do. This is how I am. I can't change that. I love that about myself, and I'm not going to change that for anybody. Okay? So what I'm doing here is I'm going to be going through this massive of junk stuff that I really don't consider it junk, because I love it, but it's getting a little bit out of control. It's getting a little bit out of control. I'm not going to lie. So if you are a junk journaling person, most likely you will find that you have stuff like this laying around, right? And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start from the back of this suitcase, because those are where the most bigger size of junk journaling things are, and then I will work my way forward. Obviously, I'm not going to do this whole thing with you guys on camera because there's a lot going on in here. But I just want to give you an idea of what I would be normally do if I need to declutter my little section of junk journaling. And that kind of maybe gives you some little ideas and inspiration on how to do it, right? So I've been doing a lot of different things in the last few weeks, and some things I've been learning, and so I'm gonna just go through here and find things that doesn't resonate with me anymore, right? When I put these things in a way, and when I will put these things aside, I was in a different place, right? We all are. We all are in a different place. So right now, I want to look at these things and want to see if it resonates, if I really like it, if I want to keep it. If I don't want to keep it, I'm just going to put it on the side. Now, I don't think that I want to throw these out if I don't want to keep it. I might do another video on maybe we can recycle these to other of our friends and families. I don't know. We'll see. I'm thinking of so many things that I have in my mind that I want to put out there for you guys. So we'll see how it goes. But for now, let me just go through here and let me show you how I'm kind of like really picking out things that kind of stand out to me. So these right here are one of those things that stand out to me. I love, love, love these images right here. And actually, on our next video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a self-love journal. And you're probably going to be needing some of these, like, you know, miscellaneous things to create your journal. So this is a really pretty, awesome, beautiful, you know, image to keep for my journaling. Not only for the self-love journal, but also for the regular journaling as well, junk journaling. So, okay, so these cornflakes, I'm gonna put these on the side right now because I'm not too key on that right now, but we'll see. So this large envelope seems to be very interesting to me. Like it. This is awesome as well. I don't think I want to keep this Cheerio box. I'm going to keep that on the side. I don't think I'm going to keep any of these things. Okay. And then the Cheerio box, I'm going to keep that on the side. I love this image. This is really fun and cute for junk journaling. So I'm going to keep that there. And how would I use a lot of these things for junk journaling is probably something that you guys are asking yourself. There's so many ways of using this. Again, junk journaling is something that you want to do because it kind of helps you relax. It helps you, you know, create things that you love. And it doesn't allow you to like really concentrate and think about what you really want to do. It just, you keep the flow going on, just creating things out of nowhere, you know, out of nothing. So it's good to junk journal if you are able to, because there's no limitation, there's no restrictions, there's no stress on it. It's just whatever you want to do, whatever you want to junk journal, you do it, okay? I have not been doing that for a while now. I've been doing a lot of other things, but I am going to get back to my junk journaling. And I also am going to get back to my regular journaling. So, okay, so I love this elephant print. Definitely am going to keep that. I haven't really been getting rid of a lot of stuff. So this comic paper, I'm going to get rid of. I'm going to get rid of this box. I don't really need it. I love this. I love this. These Rolex boxes, I'm going to put there. This chocolate truffle print is nice. I'll keep that. I love this. Actually, I just thought about something with this. Okay, I love this. This is going to be my second page for my self-journaling. Okay, I love that. Okay, just, you know, other things here. This is actually okay to keep for now. I kind of love this background. This is really pretty. And then look at this. Look how gorgeous this is. See that? Never knew that I had that back there. It's nice to always go through this. Even if you don't declutter what you have here, you can always just go back to see what you have, because a lot of the times we forget. A lot of times we forget what we have because there's so many stuff going on that we kind of forget what we put aside, right? So this is a really pretty calendar that I believe I got at Target, and I kept it because of the beautiful flowers that it has. So this is actually really beautiful. I'm gonna keep that. And then these chocolate truffles I like a lot. I'm gonna keep that. Okay. So I think you more or less get the idea of how to kind of maintain yourself in a better way of holding all these junk stuff. So I'm gonna probably get rid of a lot of this stuff here, which is not a lot of things that I got rid of, but you know what? Every little bit helps, right? Every little bit helps. So this is probably what I'm going to probably get rid of. I don't need these things, and I don't think I'm going to be using them. And then I have, which again, the reason why it's awesome for you to do this, because you go through things that you forget you have. I've had this for a very long time. Totally forgot about it. These are beautiful, I don't know what you would call these, but these are just like beautiful prints. And I just thought these were beautiful. The birds, you got different other prints here. And I just, how beautiful are these? How gorgeous. Blackberry bush. You know, it's just beautiful. And you can definitely use this for your junk journaling or for your self-love journal. For your regular journal, you can use this for your bullet journaling, which is what I'm doing right now. I'm starting to get into bullet journaling. I'll talk about that in another video with you guys. But yeah, it's just, look how beautiful it is. And I totally forgot that I even had this. Totally forgot. Okay, so again, always good to go back. Always good to check to see what you have. Keep track of what you have putting away. Make sure that you are conscious of what you have, and then this way you can use what you have, and you don't have to worry about collecting things that you don't need or that you don't use. Okay, so this is gonna go back to my little suitcase, and I'm going to go through it again. I'm gonna continue going forward. Okay. So now that I did the bigger section, I just jammed and grabbed another section, which is more junk. And then I go through that. I go through this and see what looks good and what I think I need and what I think I don't need, and so on and so on. Okay, so basically the whole moral of the story for this video is to just go through your things, see what you have, get rid of things that you don't have. Try to keep yourself a little bit organized, and try not to have too many things that you don't really need or you don't really use. And that will help you with kind of keeping track of everything that you more or less have. Okay, so on the next few videos that we are going to be doing, like something like this, I mean, yes, it's great for junk journaling, but I don't think I'm going to use, right? I just don't feel like I'm going to use it. So on the next video, what I want to do is I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a self-love journal. very simple. It's not gonna be something crazy. It's not gonna be something difficult to do. I'm not keeping it difficult. I'm not keeping it. I'm not keeping. I'm not gonna be doing anything difficult. I'm not gonna be doing anything constructive. It's just gonna be something simple. But I thought that it would be a good idea to do this because we're going through a lot of like anxiety and we're going through a lot of like craziness right now. And I think that we need something to kind of keep us grounded and a little bit more in control. And so, you know, while we're going through all this craziness, it would be nice to take some time for ourselves and do things that make us happy, do things that kind of calm us down, do things that kind of help us get into that good spirit and that good vibe. You know, even if it's just for a little while, even if it's just for an hour, even if it's just for half an hour, you know, we need to take some time and we need to keep ourselves grounded and ourselves as sane as possible, right? Because it can be very, very, very drowning and very heavy with what's going on right now. So that is what I wanted to do. I wanted to tell you guys, if you really like doing junk journaling and you really enjoy doing junk journaling, then you guys are going to probably like this next few videos because I think it's going to be something that is going to be great for us to kind of stay focused on keeping ourselves in control and not just go crazy and insane of what's going on. Okay, so I will see you guys on my next video. I'm going to show you how to do the self-love journal, which is something simple, but I thought it would be a good idea and maybe that can help a lot of us with what's going on now. So stay tuned for that. Thumbs up if you like this video. Thumbs up if you like making journaling videos, if you like watching journaling videos, and I will be doing a lot of journaling. I'm also going to be doing a lot of embellishments for the journals. Besides the ones that we have here, we're also going to create a lot of beautiful embellishments to add into our journals. And I'm going to be talking to you guys about bullet journaling and all the other wonderful stuff that I've been up to. Okay, so I love you all. Have a fantastic, safe weekend, and I will see you soon.